Have you ever been overwhelmed by waste from a big project? What if I told you that clearing up could be the easiest part of your job? Today, we're diving into how Dumpsters on Demand transforms the daunting task of waste management into a breeze, especially for residents and businesses in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Whether it's a home renovation, a construction project, or a significant cleanout, we've got you covered. Offering a dumpster rental in Hendersonville, Tennessee in various sizes, we cater to just about every need. Everything is designed for your convenience, from the user-friendly booking process to the prompt and reliable service. Our process is as easy as it gets. You book online, fill it out, and we'll take it away. No hassle, no stress. You can have a dumpster delivered right to your doorstep with just a few clicks. Ready to make your waste management hassle-free? Visit www.dumpstersondemandllc.com, Dumpster Rental Hendersonville TN, or call 615-971-3668 to schedule your dumpster rental in Hendersonville, Tennessee today. Dumpsters on Demand, the simple, efficient, and reliable choice for all your waste management needs. Remember, for your next project, big or small, we are ready to help you keep it clean and green. Don't let waste management be a headache ever again.